Example number 2, we have the number 36 and we have the number 24. So over to the side, I'm going to write down 36 and list everything that can multiply to give me 36. Without even using my calculator, I'm going to write down 1 times 36 first. Now I'm going to use my calculator to help me find the rest of them. 36 divided by 2, perfectly 18. 2 times 18. 36 divided by 3, perfectly 12. 3 times 12. 36 divided by 4. Again, it works out perfectly to a 9. 4 times 9. 36 divided by 5 is a decimal, so it does not work. I do not use those numbers. 36 divided by 6 works out perfectly to be a 6. Those two numbers are exactly the same, so I'm going to test to see if any more works. 36 divided by 7. A decimal tells me it does not work, and now that 5 is smaller than 7, that tells me I'm finished finding those numbers. Now let's work on the 24. And I'm going to start with 1 times 24. And I'm going to use the calculator to help me find the rest of them that works. 24 divided by 2. Perfectly 12. 24 divided by 3. Perfectly 8. 24 divided by 4. Perfectly 6. 24 divided by 5. The decimal tells me it does not work. And again, notice, as soon as we can identify this little trick, it's going to help us work a little faster. 4 is smaller than 5. That tells us we can stop. We have found all the numbers that can work. When I now compare the two lists, I want to find the biggest number they have in common. I see a lot of numbers they have in common, but I want to find the biggest number they have in common. And the biggest number I see they have in common is right here with the 12. So my GCF is 12. Now I want to look at the variables and the exponents. X to the 4, x to the 2. And I always want to use the smallest exponent. X to the 2. With that work finished, now we can come back over to the problem and finish working it out. So 12x to the 2 in front, setting up my set of parentheses. Divide each of the pieces by 12x to the 2. 36 divided by 12 is 3. X to the 4 divided by x to the 2. When we subtract the exponents, again as we learned last week, 4 minus 2 is x to the 2. 24 divided by 12, positive 2. X to the 2 divided by x to the 2. Subtracting the exponents, 2 minus 2 is 0. So they cancel out. And there's our final answer for number 2.